Together we stand, unraveling the power of unity in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, together we stand. This phrase isn't just about the words, but about the powerful message it carries. Let's dive into its meaning and how it can be used in different contexts. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases will not only improve your English but also help you appreciate the beauty and depth of the language. Together we stand is a short phrase with a deep meaning. It's often used to express unity and solidarity. When people say, "Together we stand," they mean that by uniting, they become stronger and more capable of overcoming challenges. This phrase emphasizes the importance of teamwork and cooperation. It's a reminder that when people join forces, they can achieve more than when they work alone. The phrase has roots in historical and cultural contexts. It has been used in speeches, literature, and even in political contexts to inspire unity and collective action. In history, this phrase has often been associated with movements or moments where unity was crucial for success. Understanding this background can help learners grasp the emotional and motivational weight the phrase carries. In everyday language, "Together we stand" can be used in various situations. From supporting a cause to facing a difficult situation as a community, this phrase finds its way into conversations. It's not just limited to serious contexts. Sometimes, it's used in a lighter sense, like when a team is working on a project or friends are sticking together in a tough situation. As an English learner, recognizing the versatility of this phrase will enrich your communication skills. Let's see how "together we stand" can be used in sentences. In the face of adversity, together we stand. As a team, together we stand, ensuring our project's success. Together we stand, as a community, to support those in need. Notice how the phrase can adapt to different scenarios, yet the underlying message of unity and strength remains constant. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "Together we stand," and its significance in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. By learning phrases like this, you're not only enhancing your vocabulary but also getting closer to becoming a fluent English speaker. Keep practicing, and remember, in your language learning journey, together we stand. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.